we're sure back to it again. Ninja, ninja, come on, we're gonna do it again. We just jump up, kick back, whip around and spin, and then we're sure back to it again. Ninja, ninja, come on, into the weekend whip. Ninja, ninja, come on, into the weekend whip. Up, kick back, whip around and spin.
The annual Dragon Boat Race is today. I need to make sure I'm there on time. What on earth is going on right now?
Breaking news. The cure for cancer has been made.
Oh, like as anyone's gonna believe that?
It's confirmed. However, the doctors have failed. And now we have a new disease, which turns the patient into monster.
Seriously, what on earth are hospitals doing these days?
But stay calm. They have controlled the patient. Breaking bads. They blew up the lab. And the patient broke out.
Well, that's just great. Oh shoot, I'm running late. I'm gonna ask the rest of the ninja to cover for me. Guys, there's an issue downtown and I can't really solve it because I need to get to the dragon boat race quickly. Do you mind if you cover for me? Wait, what happened to your hair as well?
Lloyd will cover for you. We just got back from the hairdressers, so we may look a bit different.
Thanks guys, I promised the leader I'd come down and help out at the dragon boat race, so thank you I guess. I've gotta head off now, so good luck with this whole patient thingy.
It's like ripping off an old bandage.
See ya, Lloyd. Wait, what does he mean by aggressive patient?
A few moments later.
Okay, am I nearly there yet? Oh, yes, I'm here. Oh my god. Wow. That is impressive. I can see why lots of people come here.
Who made my bed? Is that... Hello, Mint? Ah, the most refreshing mint of them all.
Look at all of these people cheering on for these boats. Isn't that nice? I wonder how the other people are getting on at the moment.
First man, next to die.
Oh, look out! Watch out! But I still have to help the others. I need to go help the others. Can you watch your place for me?
A few inches later.
Any last requests?
Yes. Could you fly quite suddenly off the boat screaming like a girl?
What?
Oh, are you alright?
You gotta just do it, Jay.
Oh, I am very sorry for getting you guys mixed up in this.
Okay.
Say, about the whole dragon race thing, you guys want to come?
Why, sure.